My name is Joel here at Bodyworks by Joel. Today I'd like to show you how to use this fun massage tool called Roleo, spelled R-O-L-E-O. I'm not a paid sponsor. This is just good information that I'd like to share with you. So today, it came in the mail. Let's open her up. All right, comes in a nice, easy box. Looks like you can recycle the majority of it, as long as I can take the stickers off. Make some room here. Alright, so real simple. As soon as you open up, dear Roleo customer, you got a thank you card. Looks like a fact sheet of what to do, best results, etc. I'll have to look through that later. Looks like there's some suction cups here. These look like, I've had this tool before. These suction cups go on the bottom of the massage Roleo. If you have like a marble counter or a flat surface, it will help just anchor that Roleo down, or that massage forearm tool down. All right, so simple packaging. Now it says, "You talked, we listened. Better Roleo, quieter, sturdier, and smoother." Now again, I love this thing. It was made by a massage therapist. First priority is to make sure that this guy has a soft legs on it, so when you are putting it on a surface, it's stable. Again, looks like the majority of that is recyclable. That's pretty awesome. There's a pressure gauge on top. This looks like you can turn it one direction to increase the pressure or decrease the pressure. That's gonna change how this spring-loaded pressure roller is applying pressure. So what we're gonna do, we're going to put this fun Roleo machine down. Hand goes in. And I like to work more on the meat, less on the bone. And what that means is massage more on the belly of the muscle, less around the joint where there's tendon and bone. Focus more on the belly. So to even get your forearm in here, it might be a little painful. You might need to open it up, then put your hand in, and then rest that Roleo roller down. This top roller looks like it's the one that's spring-loaded. The bottom one is fixed, but they both roll pretty easily. Pretty standard. Again, these suction cups at the bottom, they look, very simple stuff. They'll hook to the table. Very simple. We're gonna take out one of these legs, and on the bottom of this, the plastic piece will slide right in. I'm sure to have it that secure, you need to really push it in there. I'm getting one of these foam pieces out. Not as much fun as I'd like it to be, but again, all worth it. That roller in there. We'll get that plastic piece in there. I'll just put two on the bottom. Pretty sturdy stuff. Increase the pressure, put my forearm in, and roll my forearm in. Awesome. Little sideways motion. Flexor and extensor simultaneous. This is really nice. Increasing circulation and moving out toxins. There's a lot of benefits on the box. And I'm sure if you look up on the website, they have a lot of benefits. But again, this is the Roleo Pro, one of my favorite forearm massagers. Besides, placing my forearm down on the table and really trying to get into it myself with lotion, oil, in a heated sauna, or just after a good stretch, this is really a great warm-up. So thanks for watching. I hope you consider taking good care of yourself like I do. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call or text. That's 480-381-5779. And Bodyworks by Joel's the name. Thanks so much. Take care.